What if one aircraft became so advanced that its price shocked the entire world? The Northrop B-2 Spirit is not just a stealth bomber. It's one of the most mysterious and expensive military aircraft ever created. With its strange flying wing shape and near-invisible radar signature, the B-2 changed the meaning of strategic air power forever. But hidden beneath its black stealth surface lies an even bigger mystery. What is actually inside the B-2 Spirit? Because once you uncover the technology, systems, and hidden secrets inside this bomber, the unbelievable unit cost suddenly starts making terrifying sense. At first glance, the B-2 Spirit barely looks like an aircraft at all. Its flying wing design appears almost unreal, like a machine from the future. But every curve, angle, and surface exists for one purpose: stealth. Unlike conventional bombers built around speed or heavy defensive weapons, the B-2 was engineered to penetrate heavily defended enemy airspace while remaining extremely difficult to detect on radar. And that capability came at an enormous cost. The B-2 wasn't designed simply to drop bombs. It was built as a strategic stealth platform, capable of traveling deep into hostile territory without triggering massive enemy defenses. To achieve that mission, engineers filled the aircraft with advanced materials, electronic systems, radar-reducing structures, and complex onboard technology unlike anything seen before. To understand the B-2 Spirit's incredible cost, you need to understand what modern stealth warfare demands. The bomber wasn't built for ordinary operations. It was designed to survive in environments protected by advanced radar systems, missiles, and layered air defenses. That required a completely different approach to aircraft engineering. The B-2 Spirit emerged during an era when penetrating enemy defenses became increasingly dangerous. Traditional bombers risked detection by advanced radar networks and surface-to-air missile systems. The solution was revolutionary. Create a bomber that could avoid detection instead of simply outrunning danger. Here's where controversy begins. Many people questioned whether any aircraft could truly justify such an enormous price tag. Critics argued the bomber was too expensive, too specialized, and too difficult to maintain. Supporters, however, believed the B-2 offered capabilities no conventional bomber could match. Here's the twist. The most valuable part of the B-2 may not be its bombs at all. It's information control. The aircraft integrates advanced sensors, mission systems, navigation technology, stealth management, and communication systems that allow it to operate deep inside hostile territory while coordinating precision strike missions. The B-2 Spirit wasn't built to impress the world. It was built to disappear from it. A stealth bomber so advanced, its price became legendary. So the next time you see that black flying wing silently crossing the sky, remember, you're not just looking at an aircraft. You're looking at one of the most secretive military technologies ever created. And if you want more hidden truths about stealth bombers, classified aviation technology, and the future of strategic warfare, subscribe now, because the next story might reveal the stealth aircraft even radar can't explain.